We have a 2014 Volkswagen Take-Up 1 litre MPI. This one is a Category S, which is structural damage from the insurance company, and I'll show you that last. It's round the back. 29,000 miles. It's got mostly Volkswagen service history, 2 keys, and it is actually, apart from all the Saharan sand that's dropped on it over the last week, it's actually a very clean car. There's no dents, marks and scratches on it anywhere pretty much. So around the front all good, the bonnet, headlights and the top. Hopefully you can hear me from here. We've got a motorway right next to us, and down this side is lovely and straight and clean, and obviously it's a 5-door, which is great as well. And the front here and down that side is lovely and straight and clean. Decent tyres. It's only a take-up, so it hasn't got loads and loads of extras on it at all, but it's a very low insurance bracket, so perfect first car or just a tootle into town for someone. And the mileage is exactly 29,430. It'll go up slightly because it's going to be driven. Right, bump round the back. Hasn't touched the tailgate. That is glass, so it would just pop if it did. And I've done a quick repair on it, this bumper here, because just so I can drive it doesn't flap around, and I put a new number plate on it as well because it was cracked. So this is just taped up to go. But we have inside another red, it's a Tornado red, so it'll just pop straight on. Rear bumper, it's got a few marks and scratches in it, but that should polish up with a machine. If not, it'll be just slightly touched up, but yeah, that is a decent rear bumper. And our bump is underneath the carpet. It's got a full-size spare, which is great. Most of them are just a kit, and it's all good all the way around there, but it's been squashed. If I can get the phone, just in that corner there. So that will be, it'll be pulled out. It'll never look perfect underneath there, but in short, it does absolutely zero to the way it drives or its reliability. It's a shame because the bumper bar should have caught it, which is just there, but it's been hit lower down there, so that's why it squashed the bottom in. So that will be pulled out. It'll look a little bit nasty inside and in the boot, but it won't make it do anything different, and it'll be back on the road. This one should retail, I think, 5,750. I think these typical will retail at that much money. So I think a nice price for this one should be 4,250, and it will make some cracking little car, and that little bump around the back in the boot shouldn't make a difference at all.